Introducing a simpler way to bring your Endpoint Central Cloud data into Power BI Desktop. With the new custom connector, integration is just a few clicks away. Here's how it works. First, download the connector file from the link provided in description. Copy it into your Power BI Desktop's Custom Connectors folder, located at Documents, Power BI Desktop, and to Custom Connectors folder. Now, enable the extensions in Power BI Settings by navigating to Power BI homepage. Options and Settings. Click Options. Click Security. Under Data Extension, choose Allow any extension to load, and click OK. Restart the Power BI, and you're ready to connect. In Power BI homepage, choose Get Data from Other Sources. Just search for Endpoint Central. Click Connect. Connecting to a third-party service pop-up opens. Click Continue. Now Endpoint Central pop-up opens. Choose the appropriate domain of your Endpoint Central account. Click OK, then click Sign In. Zoho Account's login page opens. Sign in with your credentials. And once logged in, Power BI requests for required permissions. Click Accept, and then click Connect. In seconds, all your modules are right there, ready to explore. Choose your tables, preview the data in right pane, and transform it however you like. Sometimes certain columns show up in exponential format, but with Power BI, it's easy to fix. You have two simple options. During the Transform Data stage, just select the column, change its data type to whole number, and apply. Or, if you've already loaded the data, choose the column, head to the Column Tools, adjust the data type to whole number, and instantly it's fixed. And here's the best part. Once you set it, Power BI remembers, even after refresh. Endpoint Central Cloud plus Power BI Desktop. Your data visualized effortlessly.